Hey besties. In today's video, I'm going to be attempting to close out my budget. For some reason, closing out the budget is like the hardest thing to do. But I'm gonna give it a stab. I'm definitely gonna take a stab at it again. I was already trying to do some pre-work and I was like, it's not working. But anyway, let's go ahead and do this together. If that is something that you are here for, then just go ahead and stay tuned. If you are new to the channel, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel we talk about all things finance with the emphasis on saving money, paying off debt, and what is my spiel? Wait, with the emphasis on saving, I forgot my spiel, y'all. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel we talk about all things finance with the emphasis on saving, paying off debt, and something else. I don't know. I haven't had anything to drink, guys. You would think I have, but I forgot my intro. Saving, paying off debt, and something else. Anyway, I talk about money here, guys, okay? If you are a bestie, welcome back to the channel. You probably know the spiel and I don't. So if you guys can put it in the comments. Oh, you guys, I'm tired. I'm tired. That's always my story, right? I'm always telling y'all how tired I am. No, I think my daughter just irritated me, like, so that's probably why I can't think, because I'm just like, girl, listen. Anyway, okay, let's go to the monthly cash breakdown. So like I said, I'm going to be closing out the last paycheck in September, and I was trying to create the monthly closeout sheets, or the, not monthly, but the paycheck closeout sheets, and I think that's why I'm a little flustered and all over the place too, because I don't know. I'm trying to make this thing right. So let me just do this. So I have my same 3 pens, the red pen, the green pen, and the black pen for the closeout. And I'm still making edits to the sheet as I am using it and moving forward. So just FYI. And I also need your guys' feedback on it. Someone did tell me to change, because I think before I just had monthly closeout, but this is going to be a paycheck and monthly closeout sheet. So the total pay period income, I will be completing that off camera, because I want to know how much money in total I'm bringing in for the month. I do want to talk about how much money I spent in food, gas, total saved, total over budget. I guess I want to know like how much money I spent over budget. I don't know if the sheet is, yeah. Anyway, let's transition to over here. So I did have a inflow of, I had budgeted for $1,469.11, but it was actually $1,279.12. So this is going to be in red. Because I came in a lot lower. I did give my tithes. I did transfer the money over to my mortgage account. For my HOA, I actually spent $271.95 instead of the $266, because I did pay it on the actual site and I had to pay a fee to actually pay the bill. Cable internet is $116.30. That was paid on budget, ADT 6852, 821215, and then Sirius XM was 606, and there was nothing else that came out of the account. So this is 271.95 plus 116.30 plus 68.52 plus 12.15 plus 606, and that is 474.98. Well, it actually, let me subtract 133, because it's not like that came out of budget. That was a sinking fund. So actually, I'm not even going to calculate the 271. So that means that this actually was budgeted for correctly. I hope that makes sense, you guys. So remember, I take the money out. So the money is not coming out of the inflow. Essentially, what I should have done is I should have just put HOA 133, because I take out 133 every pay period. But the HOA is over here. That's right. Okay, I'm confusing myself, and I'm probably confusing y'all too. Sorry. I put my HOA bill over here. All right. So 203.03, and then left over was, let's calculate. So 1279.12, and we're gonna subtract 203.03. And that's 1076.09. So 1076.09. I did take the 175 out for groceries. I did take the 60 out for toiletries and household. Oh, and then gas. Let's see how much money we actually spent in gas. This is Costco gas right here. All right, so it was 79.46 plus 47.47 plus 43.74. So I ended up spending 170.67. Good. I came in a little under budget. 170.67. Excited about that. So now let's see. 175, 60, 60, 170, 67. So 465 actually came under budget. 465.67, and this is in red. So we got 1076.09, and we're gonna subtract 465.67. and that gives 610. Actually, I did spend, sorry, there was something else. This Stater Brothers expenses, this was out of budget, but kind of accounted for, but I didn't put it here, which I was supposed to put it here and I forgot. That's 4008, because I really want to make sure that, whoops, I just messed that all up. So 465.67 plus 40. So it's 505.75, so it actually went over. I don't feel like getting my white out. All right, so 1076.09, and we're gonna subtract 505.75. So 570.34. So 570.34. All of this is the same, 184. So subtract 184, 386, 34. So 386, 34 minus 30, 356, 34. Hope I'm doing this right, y'all. All right, and then 356, 34. Subtract $80 because I did take the $80 out of this one. 276, 34. Savings total 80. Leftover 276, 34. Actually, I think if I add this, maybe this didn't come out. Let me see if I add 40 bucks. No, over. So anyway, came in close enough because the leftover was $291.67 for the new pay period. I think I did good again, guys. $291.62 was what was left over. I did good. Oh yes, these numbers are, I mean, they're not numbering fully because there's it's a couple dollars off, but
a win is a win. A win is a win. I don't care what y'all say, a win is a win.
This here is a good, oops, you guys can't even see that. I have my head down, I'm sorry. So we're doing good. Okay, so this closeout was really, really good. I made sure that I was tracking my expenses. I was not playing. Okay, so now this sheet right here. So total amount spent in food, $175. Total amount spent in gas, which I do want to know, $170.67. Total money saved, $80 during this pay period. And then total over budget, $40.08. Because it's not that it was out of budget, it's just that I forgot to account for it. But you know, whatever. So then total here, don't really know why the total would matter. I think this sheet is totally like not good. Now that I'm doing everything, it's just not good. It's not good, guys. Because I can't, adding all this up would not mean anything. It's good that I know how much money I spent in gas, how much money I spent in food, kind of, because I'm gonna try to do better. Anyway, I'm not gonna rack my brain about it tonight. I will just say that I had a pretty good pay period and I closed out right. So I'm excited about that. So track your expenses, guys. It really, really helps a ton when you track your expenses. So that is everything in this video. Please give me a grade. You know that's how we do on every video. Give me a grade. How do you feel I did? I feel like I did a solid A. But the last pay period, I gave myself an A-. I think I got a solid A this time. And then next time, prayerfully, I'ma have an A+. We will see. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.